everybody, this is Teacher Cheska and we are now on Science 7, Day 4, morning session. And we will be tackling compounds, its nature and properties. We will be using Module 2E. Okay, so for today, our objective will be to know more about compounds and what are they and their properties. So here are the things that you will be learning. You have to describe the nature and properties of compounds. You have to list down compounds found in your home and around the environment. And of course, familiarize and appreciate the common compounds that you are using every day. So let's begin. First, you have to answer what I know. So this is your pre-test. Sa inyong yellow pad paper, isulat, of course, your name and section. And this is day 4 and this is your first activity or pre-test. No? So this is 15 items. Just write down the letters of your answer. Okay? Capital letters. So after doing that, pagkauman, let us learn about compounds. So here, you have to read this and find out what is a compound. So some examples is this one. Are you familiar with the kalburo? This is a greenish yellow rock-like solid substance that has a very foul odor. Baho ni siya. And gagamito ni siya para mahinog ang mga prutas nato, no? So muna ingon nila na unsa man na prutas gikalburo ba na siya? So that's it. So kalburo is sulfur, and then when it is exposed in air, it reacts with oxygen and it becomes sulfur dioxide. Okay. It is a pungent and poisonous gas. Alright? If you continue to inhale the gas produced by kalburo when exposed to air, you will eventually get dizzy because of the gas. So, thus, here is an element. So, sulfur being an element is combined with another element, oxygen, and it creates another substance which we call sulfur dioxide. So there are two elements here and it creates a new substance which is sulfur dioxide. So sulfur dioxide obviously is the compound. So what you need to do after learning about that, you have to answer activity number 1. This is fill me. Directions: identify the elements present in each substance and fill it in the table. So fill this up, copy this, and then answer. So for example, na letter A has already been given to you. This is salt. The substance is salt, and the chemical formula is sodium chloride. So here the elements present is sodium and chlorine. Okay? So, ilagay na lang ang elements. Alright? So, just like here. So, I think kayang-kaya na yan. After doing that, learn more. What is a compound? So, again, it is made up of 2 or more elements that are chemically combined, no? Producing a new set of properties. So, here, you have different types of properties of compounds. So, they say compounds cannot be separated into other substances by physical methods, only by chemical methods or chemical means. So, for example, ang salt, ang asin, bisag unsaon na nimo pag dukdok, asin ra po na siya. Okay? Kay physical method man ang gidukdok. Putlo nimo ang asin, asin lang gyapon. Pero Kung imo siyang butangan og process kagaya ng electrolysis, mag-separate na siya, no? Ma-change. Shorthand in writing compounds are chemical formulas, while elements are chemical symbols. So water, which is this H2O, this is a chemical formula. Ang H, chemical symbol, ang O, chemical symbol. Pero pag giuba na nimo, pag giabay nimo siya, may mo siya chemical formula. So, mo daw na siya kung magsulat tag compound, chemical formula ang tawag sa ila. Okay. Elements in compounds are always combined in fixed proportions. Okay. Fixed siya, na siya certain proportion. So, here is an example. Like for water, you have 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So, 2 is to 1. Okay? Balance siya in such a way na proportionate din siya. Proportionate. Table salt, which is NaCl or sodium and chlorine, 1 is to 1. Table sugar has 12 carbons, 22 hydrogen, and 11 oxygen. So, it's 12, 22, 11. So, proportionate siya. Generally, compounds have chemical names and common names. So, here is the chemical formula. Like I said, ang chemical symbol nag-abay. NaCl. Chemical name is sodium chloride. Common name is table salt, asin. And so on and so forth. Alright? So, here's an example of how they are formed. And continuing, you also have compounds that are very useful in our daily needs, like water, asin, asukal, and agua oxinada, no, for cleaning wounds. Alright. So, daghan pa kayo na siya lain na mga substances around in your house and in your environment. Daghan sa inyong balay ug sa inyong palibot. Alright. And then you have to answer activity number 2. Complete me. Directions. Fill in the table below. Write your answers in your yellow pad paper. Copy and answer. Okay? So, example, water, chemical formula, component present are 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen. Ratio, 2 is to 1. And then, what are the uses of water? So, para asa man ang tubig? So, here, drinking, washing, watering, cleaning. So, this is the example. Follow lang taani. You have 5 items there. And, after that, it's break time. So, that's it. So, that's it for the morning session of day 4. Okay? See you in a while. Bye!